Hi everyone, welcome to the preview for the digital unit called MES COULEURS Niveau 1, created by enCORE French. When you purchase this unit, you will be adding all of these documents to your Google Drive to be able to share them with your students. How you do that is when you purchase this unit, you'll be getting a PDF. In that PDF, you'll see all of these icons here, or these images, and you're going to click on each one, and it's going to force you to make a copy of each of the documents. So you'll do that for each of them, and then you'll have them added to your Google Drive. Make sure that you're adding them to your Google Drive that you're going to be using to share the items with your students. So let's see what's inside of this unit. We have a README first. Let's get started. So it'll tell you some tips on how to use each resource and what the kids might be doing with it. This one is the main resource, MES COULEURS. It's their student booklet. So imagine this is what you would print to give to your students, but now digitally you would just assign this to them. And you go through this whole thing. The students have a tips page on what the different icons mean and some of the different types of activities they might see. This one tells them all about their learning objectives, so they can read through that in French and in English. Here is the main hub of the resource. Think of it like a table of contents. So for every activity, the students have a link. By using the arrow, they can click on it, go to that activity, complete it, and then click the home button at the top and go back. When they're done, they move the star over. When you as a teacher come in and you see that they finished it, you've checked over it, you then drag the check mark over as well. If they want to go on to the next activity, they click on it simply and go on. So they have drag and drop activities where they can listen to the words right here by clicking on the play button, and they go through the different activities here, and as they complete them, they fill out that page on page 5 here. You'll see here a couple times there's stops. These are for the teacher, so you're going to delete these before posting the activity to your students. This is just some help for you guys so that you're able to change things up to be the best for you. As well, what's really important is there's some Google Forms in here that I've created, but you need to insert the form links yourself. So the forms are simple ones like reading the word and selecting the color, or listening activities where they're going to watch a quick video and then figure out was that correct or incorrect. They also have a final activity here, a final culminating activity. And so they're going to go through it, listen to the instructions, read through it, see an example, and complete that and submit it to you as well. When they finish the whole unit, they get to print themselves out a digital certificate, so they can print it out or add it to their own folder in Google Drive as well. For you as the teacher, there is an answer key as well, so that if you are a bit confused on some of them on what the expectations are of the activity, then you can come through here and you can see that it is done here for you. So again, you are going to get to have all of these resources in here with lots of support in there for you to post them as a teacher. If you ever have questions or concerns, you can reach out to me easily. My email is on my TPT page and on my website, and I hope that you have a lot of fun with this unit.